I have many subscribers who want me to explain in Hindi. So, today at the end of the video, I will explain in Hindi. Whatever I teach you in English now, at the end of the video, if you want, you can check the Hindi version also. So friends, welcome to Hello English. My name is Rupam and I welcome you all to my channel. Do you speak with pause and with hesitation in English? Do you have difficulty expressing yourself when you speak in English? Or do you think in your native language before you speak in English? If so, you have to follow this video. It is going to be very simple. Just 4 steps. And it's a 30 days challenge, I'm telling you. Within 30 days, you will be able to think in English and you will be fluent in English. You just have to think in your mind. This whole process is just thinking in your mind. Okay, so let's begin with step number 1, which you have to do on the first week. Thinking in a single word. How to do this? For example, when you wake up in the morning, what all things you use? Bed, brush, toothpaste, water, breakfast, egg, tea, bananas. All these things we use in the morning. So you just have to keep thinking in English, just one words. Suppose you are going out. What things you can see? You can see car. Just think in your mind. Car. You can see bus. People. Traffic. Pollution. Noise. So this is how you can start the first week. You can just keep thinking the whole day. Whatever you see, whatever you observe, just try to recall in your mind that word in English. You can try this exercise. Okay, now whatever you are doing, just look around you. Just look around, observe, and just think of 10 words which you can see around you. Got it? This is one task for you. Number 2, on the second week, what you will do? You need to think a complete English sentence in the second week. You have to make small sentences or small phrases, just the way you did on the first week. On the first week, you were doing one word. Now you will be making small sentences. For example, you are taking breakfast now. What all things you can think? I am taking breakfast. Today I am having bread and omelette, or roti and sabji, whatever. After this, I will have tea. In this way, you can just make small sentences. After some time, when you are watching TV, you can just think, the journalist is talking about politics. That actress is beautiful. In this way, you can think. So the most important part in this second week for you is to think in English, small sentences. Okay, that is the most important thing for you. Keep thinking, whatever you see, whatever you observe, make small sentences. Suppose you are going to the market, you can just think, the vegetables are fresh. It is very hot today. In this way you can think. Step number 3. On the third week, what you will do? Functional English. Here, you need to imagine and think everything what you do on your regular basis. Every time you speak in your native language, after that you can just think in your mind how you can translate that in English. Suppose if you are talking to your father, मुझे बाहर नहीं जाना है. Just think in your mind, I will not go out today. In this way you can think. For example, just think, how would you buy a ticket? Or how would you order a cold drink? in an English speaking country. This helps develop your English for real life situations. Even though you are not speaking, you are just thinking, but that is helping you a lot. Your mind is getting ready. If suppose you are confused and don't know some words, later on you can just see the dictionary. If you do this type of mental practice every day, you will develop the ability to use English in your daily life. Finally, we come to step number 4, which you have to follow on the 4th week, the final week. Here, you have to narrate everything in English, telling a story or speaking in English for a long time. It is best to do this type of exercise when you are doing something. Suppose you are sitting in a bus and you have nothing to do. You are observing outside. In that case, you have to think in your mind what all things are coming in your mind. Keep talking to yourself. The driver is driving very slowly because the traffic is very high. The vehicles are running very slowly, and I can see there are a lot of pollution in the air. It's very noisy, and it is also very hot today. This is how you can narrate. Also, if you want to tell story to yourself, maybe you travel somewhere and you want to recall that, you can tell a story to yourself. Last month, I went to Delhi. I saw Qutub Minar. I had nice food there. The weather was very pleasant. The roads were very wide. The people of Delhi are very good. In this way, you can start narrating the story. Whenever you are free, whenever you are not doing anything, you can do this exercise. Now, let me explain you in Hindi. पहले हफ्ते में आप क्या करोगे? आप एक एक वर्ड सीखोगे. जैसे सुबह उठने के बाद आपके दिमाग में क्या आता है? जैसे ब्रश, जैसे टूथपेस्ट, ब्रेकफास्ट, एग. ऐसे करके एक एक वर्ड आप सीखोगे फर्स्ट वीक. सेकेंड वीक में आप क्या करोगे? सेंटेंस बनाओगे. छोटा सेंटेंसेस, जैसे कि आप सुबह उठते हो. I woke up at 6 o'clock. Now I will have my breakfast. After breakfast, I will go to school or college, कुछ भी. I will come back at 3 o'clock. ऐसे करके छोटा छोटा सेंटेंसेस बनाओगे आप. थर्ड वीक में आप इंग्लिश में वो सोचोगे जो आप डेली करते हो. इस बार जो सेंटेंस होगा वो थोड़ा लंबा होगा. आप ये सोचोगे कि अगर आप टिकट खरीदने जाते हो, ट्रेन का टिकट, या आपको कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स लेना है किसी काउंटर से, आप किसी इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग कंट्री में गए हो, आप कैसे बात करोगे? नंबर 4, लास्ट वीक में आप क्या करोगे? आप किसी के साथ बात करोगे या तो अपने आप को स्टोरी कहोगे. जैसे कि आप बस में ट्रेवल कर रहे हो, आपको क्या दिखाई दे रहा है, वो सब आप अपने दिमाग में इंग्लिश में बात करोगे. अगर आप टीवी देख रहे हो, I can see the journalist is talking very politely. She is wearing a nice sari and she is very beautiful. I think I know that lady. Her name is Susanna. ऐसे करके आप अपने आप को बताओगे. तो ये रहा 1 month challenge. Thinking in English will help you to develop your fluency because it makes you more confident internally and helps you speak more easily without any hesitation. So, my dear friend, this is a 1 month challenge. Try these 4 steps. Let me know if it helped you. I'm sure you will benefit. फिर मिलेंगे. Thank you.